What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Brap Genius, and today we're going to be doing an install of my Turbinecore 2 FMF silencer.
Start it off right, boys! Yeah! Oh my god.
Hi, Mom. Sorry, not sorry.
But on camera when I die?
Of course. Alright, so for those of you that want to hear the exhaust, I'm going to do a sound clip of the stock exhaust versus after I get the pipe installed. I'll do that now, and then for those that want to see the installation, I'll put that right after the sound bite. So here we go. So now we're going to go over after this is installed and show you guys what that sounds like. Alright, so to start this installation, we have to take out the stock exhaust, obviously. Now we have two bolts here for the number plate. We're going to be taking that off. I already took them off. The way I'm going to leave the bolts is just the first ones you take out here, going across that way. You can put them on the floor if you like. Right now I have enough room where I'm leaving it like that. So that's already done. Pop out the number plate. Set that to the side. Okay. Now we have to remove the silencer. So we have a bolt here and a bolt here. Once we remove those two, we should be able to wiggle it out from the connection to the stock pipe itself there, and then we can move from there. Alright, so now you can see the silencer is off. Got it set over there. Super easy to take off once you get the two bolts off. Just simply slide it out right from there. Got the stock silencer over here. We're going to replace it with the new one. Super easy, guys. This install takes 5 minutes. So at this point, we're just going to put the silencer back onto there and then just rebolt everything and we're good to go. If you were going to take apart the entire exhaust and replace your pipe as well, you would replace this bolt here. Just unloosen that one. Just loosen that one. Loosen this bolt right under here. Then there's a couple springs. You can see one right there. I have to get a new one for this, but there's some springs right there too that you unlatch. And that's it. Then you just pop it off. So that's really it. I'm going to go and put the pipe in here, rebolt everything, and show you guys what it looks like after that. Alright guys, so very simply, like I said, slip the exhaust back into here where it was, put on 1 and 2 bolts, and now the new silencer is installed. All we got to do is put the number plate back on, put these 2 bolts through them, and then you are all set. We're going to do a sound bite of it with the aftermarket silencer. Now, obviously I still have my stock pipe. Some of you might be wondering why I'm not upgrading that. I may do it eventually, but I like the way this bike is running right now. I don't want to do anything too crazy. I know that adding a silencer does add a little bit of power, changes the sound a little bit too, obviously. The real power change is obviously going to be with your front pipe here, but I don't want to do too much, so I'm going to see how it runs. If I want a little bit more bottom end power, I'm going to put the gnarly FMF pipe on there as well. But if not, then I'll probably just get a pipe guard and call it a day. So that's it. I'm going to put the number plate back on, and then we're going to do a little sound clip for you guys. Alright guys, so now we're going to be doing a sound bite of the Turbinecore 2 silencer on the bike with the stock pipe. We're going to see how the sound difference is, and then we'll take it for a quick rip in another video, and see if there's any difference in power or anything like that, see if it's worth it for you guys, and see if you could rock it like this. Like I said, if you feel like your bike is set up pretty well the way it is with the stock pipe, you know, see if this tweaks it just enough for you, or if you want to upgrade to a different pipe as well. Alright, so that was a sound clip. I don't know how well you guys could tell on camera, but it sounds a lot better. It feels different with the silencer on it, just even from just sitting there, just how it's running at idle. So I'm going to go for a ride now, see how it feels. But that was the install and soundbite of this Turbinecore 2. Stay tuned for more videos. Obviously, I got a lot more coming with my street legal YZ250. A lot of trail rides, a lot of exploring and stuff like that. So if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you hit like and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.